Do you think that's a cirrus or cumulus cloud?
I think it's a candy floss cloud.
Local community centre for people with disabilities forced to shut down due to lacking support from the council.
Did you know that space clouds are made of gas and debris from galaxies forming?
There is now a 261-year-long waitlist for adults seeking an ADHD diagnosis in Sheffield.
You'd make a good space cloud then, clown. You're full of gas.
School pupil receives bad grades as teacher describes him as rude, forgetful, lazy and too distracted. Turns out they were just undiagnosed with neurodiversity.
Can we watch something fun, please?
The circus has rolled into your town, the place where dreams come true, where everyone is embraced for their differences, and where reality doesn't exist. The circus needs you to come and join our dreamland. Call 1234567 to find out more.
Hello? Yes, we'd like 3 tickets to the circus, please.
Can you ask if they have a musical?
Oh, can you ask if they have games and prizes to win?
Shh. They hung up. I didn't get to ask about directions or how many toilets there'd be on site and whether they have hand sanitizer or soap.
Look, let's just go. I love adventure. We can find out when we get there.
Oh, yay! I can't wait to win all the games.
Oh, I sure do hope we get to see a musical number.
Don't be silly, there's no musical numbers at the circus.
Seen, hiding, then it's not enough for you to believe that we aren't just lazy, silly, fussy, rude, unfocused, childish, clumsy, different. We're not aliens, aliens, aliens.
Oh, it's clouds. And space.
And sea creatures. I'll tell you a fact that you probably didn't know.
And maybe didn't want to know.
Have you heard of the rainbow game? You go to pride and you fight for change, and you win by creating a perfect utopia. Not now.
I love finding pleasures in the everyday, beating my friends at games, but some days I just can't verbalise my mood, especially when I lose.
Knock, knock, who's there? It's me, I bet. You get it? It's meant to be a joke. We have good days and bad, and we're not sure which we'll get until we wake up and find out how we'll do. When I make small talk with you.
Well, that's 281 wins for Star and 107 losses for Clown. Go me!